Hey crafty friends, this is Julissa of Paper Gems by Jules, and today I am sharing a card using the brand new Positive Currents stamp set by Unity Stamp Company. This stamp set comes with two different shaped koi fish, but I decided to use one and stamp it in my MISTI on both sides. So I just spun around the paper and kept it in there so it's centered. But I was kind of looking for that yin-yang feel. Now the coloring style is actually, I copied it off of Alberto Gava. Now, if you have not heard of this Copic artist, he is phenomenal. He's on several design teams. He designs his own stamps, and he also his coloring with Copics is just mind-blowing. And so whenever I'm looking for some inspiration, if I don't have something off the bat, I will go to Pinterest and I will just either look up the image that I'm looking for this example. It was koi, so I did Copic koi, and his blog came up. So I was just floored by the style of coloring and wanted to see if I could do it. I mean, I want to always give credit to the artist that inspires me, but at the same time, it is so fun to try to copy and to recreate their talents, because it's just so impressive. And I would hope that, in sharing what we do and everyone here, that, we all just learn from each other. So I am so grateful that I found his work and was able to give it a shot. And I think I did pretty good. But either way, I listed the colors that I'm using, and I use the same exact Copic colors, so I'll put a link to his blog as well, so that way you have that for reference and you can see how amazing his work is. But I will also just continue to list all of the Copic colors that I use to create the background scene. And again, they're the same as his. I was literally copying. But the stamps are from Unity. The dies are also from Unity, and everything will be listed. But again, I just thought that getting a full video of the coloring technique, it's super simple. Literally, I feel that with practice, anybody can do this. Like, this is not rocket science, but it's just a matter of blending, being patient. This is the second fish, so I kind of zipped through it and just faded in and out so that you don't have to watch the whole thing, because I really was so impressed by the background, and we'll get to that in a second. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this coloring video. Again, I want to send a big shout out to Alberto for his super talented skills, and I appreciate him creating a blog for us to reference his artwork and to continue to be inspired. And I hope that you find inspiration in this video. If you have any questions, comments, please, I'd love to hear from you. Make sure to comment below. I hope you like the video, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much. just jumping back in. So now that we've done the coloring, I'm just trying to pair this together with some fun papers, and I am using the new big scallops and rectangles nesting dies also by Unity, and the scallop banners, the stitch scallop and stitched banners. You'll know when you know. Anyway, so I am pairing this also with some fun Unity pattern paper called Bohemian Dream. I figured it had the oranges and the teals and the blues, so use that for the additional pop of color. And then I also put this on a bright blue card base, just trying to complement some of the background colors but still highlight some of the orange. Gosh, those fish look amazing. I love it. So excited to do more cards with these beautiful koi fish. And koi fish also come in different colors, don't forget, so don't be limited to oranges. So I was gonna put the banner on here. It looked a little basic, so I'm just adding some distress ink on the edges of it, and that's pretty much it. Gonna pop it up, and this card is done. Once again, thank you so much for staying with me. I hope you found some inspiration, and I'd love to hear from you. Have a great crafty day.